Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here again with the new video. Today I am going to show you very beautiful 5x5 natural waves closure wig, density 200%. And if you see, the hair which I used to make this beautiful wig is 100% unprocessed Indian virgin hair. You can see the bounce in the hair. Just look at the bounce. There won't be any tangling at all because this is 100% virgin hair, cuticle aligned, and the closure which we used on the front side, let me give you a closer look. So if you see it closely, this is 100% transparent Swiss lace. You can see that how well it goes with my fingers. If you see the front side, this is with the baby hair to give you a very natural look, right? And this is free parting. This 5x5 closure is free parting, so you can part it from this side, from middle, or from that side, because it gives you enough space from the front. You can see that, right? And check the hair quality. If I show you, the hair quality is really good. Just look at the hair. 100% virgin Indian hair. You can color it, you can iron it as per your choice. So length of this wig is 26, right? Though if you measure it till here, it is 28, but we sell it in 26 so that the clients gets good volume till ends. So let me give you a 360 view. You can see the volume. As I told you, this is 200% density, so very full enough, and it will give you a very beautiful look once you install the wig on your head. You can see that, very beautiful. Just look at the full view. So very thick till down, 100% natural wave Indian hair, unprocessed. You can see a beautiful little waves texture in the hair, so it will give you a very beautiful look once you install it. And you can retexture it, you can iron it, because this is 100% Indian hair. You know, once you make the wig, the construction is the major part to construct the wig. So if you see the side part of the wig, even this side, you see the so this part looks very beautiful, very bouncy, because we construct it very properly, and it will give you a very beautiful look. Just look at that, how natural this wig is looking. The bounce from the front side, the bounce here from this side, that side. So very perfect look wig this is. Very full enough, density is really good. Let me show you from inside so that you can have a better idea. So if you see that from inside, you can see the closure 5x5 with HD lace. The construction, you can see the notings, how symmetrical they are, right? And which is followed by the weft. So if you see the construction of the weft, you can see how evenly we stitch them. You can see that these lines shows you how symmetrical they are. So that's why the construction is the major part once you install the wig. You can see that. You can see a look. So it's a very beautiful wig, and again it comes with the adjustable strap both sides, so you can adjust the size as per your head. And you can see the construction. And this is the front part. So you can see this beautiful wig, and you can place your order directly to us. We are the direct manufacturer from India, and my details are in the description box, so you can place your order and we will ship you through DHL within 2 days from your order. So very beautiful wig. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, comment if you want to tell me something, want to place your order, or if you want to see some other products, and share it with your friends whomsoever wants to buy the quality product from Kanika Impex Private Limited. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will join you very soon with the next beautiful creation from Kanika Impex Private Limited. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay healthy.